Hi everyone! We are 12 days away from the winter solstice, which if you live in the northern hemisphere like I do, means it's going to be the shortest day of the year. Well, the day is not going to be shorter, but the amount of sunlight will be the least of the year. If you live close to the equator, it might not be too big a deal for you, but if you live in a northern latitude like I do, there's a lot of darkness. It's going to be very dark. I mean, yeah, like Scandinavian people or Canadian people get even less sunlight than I do, but I can't really fathom that, so I won't. Now, I don't hate winter. I actually really like this season. I like all the festivities that happen in winter. New Year's is one of my favorite holidays. But this year, because we're in a pandemic, I feel like the lack of sunlight has hit me especially hard, because usually what I would do when it's like, oh my gosh, there's darkness all the time, is spend time with people indoors, which I can't do. We don't have a lot of cozy time with people this year, and it's been kind of a bummer. So I realized that this year I have to figure out a way to still feel some of that cozy energy, and instead of just dreading the winter solstice, I should do something to try to have a positive mindset about it. So I'm going to count down to the winter solstice with a delicious new cookie every single day. I'm just gonna bake the sadness away. I'm going to bake optimism into my life. My whole apartment is gonna smell like delicious cookies. And even though I really, really miss my friends and I want to spend time with them, the smell of cookies will hopefully mask some of that. Cases of coronavirus are going up all over the world, so I'm sure that you are also struggling a little bit with trying to figure out how to safely engage with people in winter, unless you live in the southern hemisphere, in which case I hope you're enjoying your summer. So for the next 12 days, I'm gonna bake a new kind of cookie every day. My apartment's gonna smell great. It's gonna smell like cookies. It's gonna smell like different kinds of cookies. And yeah, just try to have a positive mindset about a situation that's not in my control. If you try any of these recipes, please let me know. I would love to know what your favorite cookie is. I think I'm gonna like all of them, but I'll keep you posted. Okay, let's get started.